So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I am teacher Adil Ahmed, and here is the data of the lesson. The teacher names is Adil Ahmed. We are the grade 5. The subject is English. The subject matter is Unit 10, Lesson 1, Part 2. Yesterday, we started with Part 1, and we studied the vocab. I'll remind you with the vocab of the lesson. Here is the vocab of the lesson we studied yesterday, and we are going to tackle them again just to remind you and remind the students who didn't attend yesterday. In a minute, my friends, as you see here, we can listen to the sound. I'm going to put the vocab to get the pictures above each other, and then we are going to
underwater
listen one by one and join match them to or with the pictures. Okay, my friends. So here is yesterday we studied
light up,
these vocabs.
plume,
Also we had
submersible.
We had a PowerPoint, and we, of course, yesterday also I gave you a complete idea about the lesson. So let's start now with these words. This is light. I think it is light up or light. Yes. Let's check. Yeah, it's light or light up. This is light. We have submersible. This I told you this is a machine like a submarine which goes down down underwater.
Comfortable.
and it can find a lot of things about the sea because it has some kind of what we say, some kind of light. This is octopus. Okay? This is octopus, and I told you that an octopus is a very big animal, and it has maybe some more than 8 legs, so it has a lot of eggs. Here is, my friend, is bile up, not underwater, bile up. Okay, bile up means both things
comfortable
with each other. This is bile up. Yes, I'm sorry for. Here is information. I think information. No, it's not this. What's wrong here? Information. Okay, we studied that information, some pieces of information, ma'lumat, as we say in Arabic, about different things and about a variety of things. So this is the vocab of yesterday. We are in a hurry. This is ocean, of course, a place. An ocean, as I told you also, is a very big sea. An ocean is a very big sea. Okay, an ocean is a very big sea, and I told you that there are, I think, 6 oceans around the world, like the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, North Ocean, and South Ocean. These are the main or the famous oceans we studied about before. I think this is comfortable. Okay, means someone who feels happy or comfortable as he's sleeping or relaxing or something like this. Also, we have bloom. This is a bloom. This is a sea bloom. It's like the feather. It's an animal which looks like a feather. Okay, I am just doing this vocab in a hurry. Okay, here is, as I told you, this underwater, these creatures. Underwater, yeah, these creatures are living underwater. Here is darkness, means at night we have. I'm in a hurry, frankly, because I'm just revising. This is underwater, you know. Here is plane. Plane means it's not up or down. Plane means not up or not down. Here is a trench. A trench means a very deep hole.
Hello, my teacher.
Alaykum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a very deep hole under the sea. Okay. And we find the word explore. Explore means
explore.
Explore, yes, it's to discover new places. This is, I think, bottom. Yes, where
Show.
This is bottom. Bottom,
Teacher,
yes.
I can tell bottom.
Bottom, yes.
Yeah.
Here.
bottom,
And this here,
Here
shellfish.
shellfish. These are the words we studied yesterday. I'm going to arrange them in order.
I
Shellfish.
answered that, teacher.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a
Shellfish.
minute, my friend. Wait just 1 minute. Listen, and we are going to discuss, just to give the chance to me. There is
shellfish,
shellfish. This is,
Underwater.
yeah, this is underwater.
underwater,
Good. This is
Pile up.
pile up,
Pile up. This is computer.
comfortable, information,
And this here information.
light up,
Light up. And this here light up.
blue,
Bottom. And this here
darkness,
okay.
submersible,
And this here
explore,
plan. Plane.
Wait a minute. These are the words we studied yesterday.
This here octopus.
Yeah, as you see here. Now I'll select one by one of my students and we are going to the
Bottom.
next activity. Okay. There is the first activity in our lesson. No, it's not this. Sorry, you finished this. Now. We are going, no, it's not this also. We have frankly prepared, I just give you an idea about the lessons parts. This is also one part of the lesson here. Or this is the other part. Okay, we'll start with this part. Who can read? Who can help me reading this part? I'll try to start with Saad Abdullah from Irqa. Saad from Irqa. Assalamu alaikum. Saad Abdullah from Irqa. Saad, please answer me. Saad, my dear. Muhannad al-Harbi. Muhannad al-Harbi.
Hello, my teacher.
Hello, my friend. Read. The land under the ocean. Look here, we are in the ocean, as you see in the background. Do you see the background now and how are the animals and fish are jumping up and down? Let's read now. Light.
Light from the sun helps planes to grow.
Undersea or
Under the
underwater?
sea.
Underwater, anyhow, I think.
Underwater.
This is in your book. Alaikum assalam, my friend. There, so it helps to animals to live underwater. Yes, go on, my friend. Sunlight. So I told you.
Light can go down from the water to about
100 meter or 1,000 meter.
1,000 meter, 100 meter.
100 meter water. Yes, go on. And
In the water near.
There are many plants and animals below.
There are many and animals below.
150 or 250
150
meters. There are plants only at
300
meters. It's already quite dark and water. It's very cold. The water's oceans are about. Take the smallest, the smaller number.
300
Yeah.
meters deep.
Okay, thank you, my friend. You are now. Let's thank you, my friend Muhammad. Let's listen to Saad Al Abdullah now. Out. Saad. Do you hear me, Saad Al Abdullah? Saad, the microphone is open for you. Okay, Amir Nawafla. Amir Nawafla, assalamu alaikum.
Yes, teacher. Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
Amir, please help me read this.
Out Yes, yeah.
Out in
Out
the
in the ice are mounting on the water, just like there are mounting on land.
mountains. Look, look,
Mountains.
I'll explain. Would you mind stop just a minute? As I told you yesterday, while we have the introduction of the lesson, I told you underwater there are mountains, like the same like on land. For mountain like Uhud mountain and so on. So underwater we have mountains like this, very high mountains. Deep underwater we have mountains, just like on the land. Yes, go on, Amir. In some parts,
In some parts of the cons there are
oceans means very big sea, like this ocean sea. There are
deep
trench.
that trench code to
Down.
11,000 down. Yeah. Yes, here.
Yeah,
Yes.
11,000 meters, as I also told
11,000
you.
meter. 11,000 meter.
Much of the ocean floor
Much often slow flower is an
plain. It continues for thousands.
continues for thousands clays
But there are a few
in
animals.
water deep of
It's
the water
difficult.
of water at
It's
the
difficult to explore the sea, ocean. Amir, what's wrong with the microphone?
ocean.
Amir,
What is the if yes. Where is heavy? Where is heavy? It's a tree was in a water
okay, it goes to
above.
yeah. Water deep. I can't hear you very well, Amir. Maybe something wrong with your microphone. I don't know what's. Anyhow, thank you, Amir. Try to close your microphone and come again. Okay, Amir?
Teacher now.
Okay,
now.
bye, Amora.
Now.
Okay, I need now Dr. Ghanaim. Amir, I'm waiting for you again. Amir, sorry, Dr. Ghanaim. Isa Ghanaim.
The mic, teacher, the mic now is good.
Yeah. Karam, Isa Ghanaim.
Yes.
Karam, do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Yes, please read, Karam. The land under the oceans. Light.
The sun helps.
Light from the sun.
Light from the sun helps
Yeah.
plants to grow.
Under
Underwater,
sunlight.
sunlight can go down through 1 to about 100 meters in the water. Meters in the water near.
And near the beaches.
And
Many
near the
plants
beaches,
and
there
animals
are
below. Amir, so also Karam, what's wrong with microphone?
meters, there are no plants.
Only
around.
animals
Only
at
animal at
3,000 meters. It's
is
already quite dark.
quite dark and the water is very cold.
Thank you, my friend. Gives a chance to another one. Adnan Al-Fadli.
Yes,
Adnan, do you hear me?
yes, I hear you.
Okay, Adnan, let's go to another part. Okay?
Okay,
This part, and we are going to this next part.
okay.
Okay? Yeah, we finished
Okay.
this. We finished this. Yeah, frankly, I make the lesson with many parts. Okay, we are going to read this part. Yes, his body, go on. One way.
His body one way to explore the deep ocean is to go down in a
In a what?
submarine.
Submersible, yes, go on.
Submarine. Yes.
Deeper
Deeper than
than,
deeper than
take the small number.
the
1,000,
small.
take the smaller.
1,000 meter.
1,000, yes.
meter مدري meter.
There is no
There is
sunlight.
no sunlight at all. The submersible has light so the people inside can see what is
Inside and outside.
out
So here is inside,
inside can see outside.
and the opposite is outside. We can look.
We can look at pictures of the animals that live in the
That
deep
live.
ocean.
That live.
Live in the deep ocean because they are lit up by the machine. If the lights were not on, there would be complete
Darkness. If we don't have light.
darkness.
Okay, wait a minute, my friend. Just to explain to us other friends. If we don't have a submersible like this, we will have complete dark and underwater. Okay, so we'll have complete dark. We will not see. Yes, with submersible. Yes, go on. Scientists.
Scientists can look at what
Okay.
the
Look at chimneys or trenches.
Trenches.
Trenches, will check. Very hot water escapes into chimney,
into the ocean from below the ocean floor. It is so hot that it looks like
gases or smoke.
Gases.
Well, check.
From fire. It has tiny bits of rock in it. Gradually, the tiny big
short or tall chimneys?
Tall.
Tall. Okay, let's check now. Of course, we have no problem, my friend. What's wrong? What's wrong? Chimneys means, you know, as I told you also, it is like a big post or matkhana, as we say in Arabic. Okay, this is what here, this is the second part. Really, I don't like to read all the parts. So today we read that, we said that light underwater helps creatures to live, but they cannot discover what's underwater or what's in the oceans except by a machine called submersible. This submersible gives us light, which help us to see, or help a scientist, I mean the scientist, of course, to see what there. Of course, in the rest of the lesson, they will find what they call bloom. Yes. Yeah, we want to read this part, and I want someone to help me. Just reading, it's just reading, okay? Just read in a hurry. It's not explanation, but it's just reading, just to complete the part. Yes. Who is going to read? Adil Mbarki.
Hello, my teacher.
Hello, Adil. Read, Adil. Many animals. Yes, read.
Many animals like living near the chimneys. There are crabs. And
crabs. I told you that crabs are big animals with 8 legs, and we saw it in the vocab. Okay, I'm going again to revise the vocab in a hurry. Yes, go on, Adil.
and shellfish, but one of the strangest is the tube worm. Has no mouth.
عادل, wait a minute. عادل. Worm and not worm. Okay, when we have O here, لما يكون عندنا حرف ال O we say A, worm. والعكس لما يكون A ننطقها O, worm. Okay, so it's worm here, worm. Yes, go on, عادل.
Worm has no mouth or stomach. It takes
Here is,
food
yeah.
from the water.
Here is octopuses or dolphins. Crabs, dolphins or octopuses? Do you think?
Octopuses.
Okay, go on. A worm, it's called a tube worm. Okay. Has no mouth
or stomach. It takes food from the water through the top of in body.
Yeah.
The top of the tube looks like a red.
It looks like a feather, as we saw. This is tube worm. It looks like a feather, a risha. So it has, subhanallah, it has no stomach. Okay, it has no stomach. It's something different from, subhanallah, Allah, the unique one who's able to create everything which accommodates with its nature and with the environment around it. So subhanallah, this worm has no stomach. Okay, go on, Adil. It's called bloom. It's called the bloom, as we say. It's a bloom. These creatures which live underwater and it's like a feather, it's called the bloom. Which another word for feather. The worm is protected by tube, which is hard shell. I want to finish in a hurry this part. The bottom of the worm is an anchor that holds the worm into the chimney. No problem. It takes long time to go down. Okay, so this kind of creatures take a long time to go down the ocean. Okay. 4 meters in a submarine and journey, it's not comfortable. Scientists are looking for other ways of explaining oceans. Okay, be with me, Adam. So scientists now, even this submersible, this is machine which like a submarine, it's not okay to go there. It's not easy to go there because it's difficult and very tight. ضيقة جدا. So scientists are trying to find other way to go down the sea and find things which are perfect, which are good to explore the sea in such a way, in a good way. Okay, anyhow, robot machines. Okay, we'll check maybe robot machine. One can go deeper. They don't carry people, but they can record a lot. Okay, they are trying to find. Try to find ways, methods which they like a computer, and they can send it. You can send robots down, and they find the information through their computers. So it is difficult for scientists, as I told you, to make to discover the bottom of the sea. So they are trying to make machines or to discover machines which can give them the chance, like robots, you know, robots which can go down and then they record everything. Okay, I'll stop here with this because it's a little bit difficult. I'm going again to the vocab, but this time in a short way, just, you know, to feedback the vocab, the lesson. Here it is. No, it hasn't finished yet. We have much time. We have much time. Yeah, it's about, but not now. Wait a minute. No, we don't have, we have more than 5 minutes. Okay, now I want
octopus.
Me, Ahmad As-Salawi.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Ahmad. What's this, Ahmad? Listen.
Oceans.
Oceans. Where is the word ocean, Ahmad? Ocean.
Ocean.
Yeah. Look, what's this? It's an ocean. Ocean. I concentrate on the vocab just to make you able to understand. At least every day you can memorize 10 words. This is ocean. Ocean. What's an ocean? Who can tell me what is an ocean?
Ocean
Is a big sea. An ocean is a big sea. Very easy definitions. Ahmed, say it again. An ocean.
it's
A big
sea.
sea. Excellent, Ahmed. An ocean is a big sea. Okay. Now, what is this? When we read, we found some words. Listen here.
Trench.
Trench. This is a trench. What is a trench? A trench is a hole, a big hole or a deep hole down in the sea. This is a trench. Yeah. Now, explore means to discover. Explore means to discover, find. To find new places or new ways. This is explore. As you see here. Okay. This is an octopus, of course. Where is the octopus? I can't see the word octopus. Yeah, octopus.
Darkness.
Octopus.
Octopus, yes. Put it here. Yeah, exactly. This is
Submersible.
octopus. Yeah, we hear now some words. Here is plane. Plane means it's not
Plane.
It's not up and it's not down. It is the same level as you see here. Not up, not down. Plane. These words we studied many times, frankly, and I repeated many times. This is the word darkness. Okay, and here is what's called underwater. And here is the word submersible. So now, my friend, now we have 10 words. We knew about 8 or 10, the first 10 words. Okay, look here.
Plane.
I revise again because, you know, if you memorize this word, it's word of science. Please don't leave until I finish the class. Here is oceans. Here is trench. Here is explorer. Here is octopus. Here is
Plane.
Here is darkness. Here is underwater. Here is submersible. Listen to the word.
Oceans. Ocean.
Trench. Trench.
Explore. Explore. Octopus. Octopus. Plane. Plane.
Darkness. Darkness. Darkness.
Underwater. Underwater. Underwater.
Submersible. 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 Submersible.
Okay, now we knew the words and the meanings. We have another word, we have other 8 words, and maybe it will be the last part of lesson 1. We have time anyhow. Don't leave, my friend, until we finish. This is pile up. Pile up means to put things together as we explained it at the beginning of the class. Pile up. You see, pile up means to put things together. Try to put in your head these words. Here is the word darkness. Okay, I revised it at the beginning and at the last of the lesson. Here is darkness. After and before reading, I revised the vocab because I think they are important.
Comfortable.
Here is where is the word information. Yeah, here is information, like our book gives us information, pieces of information, information about plants, about animals, about anything. Here is the word comfortable. Yeah, it's very easy. And what is bloom? Yeah, this is bloom, what we studied. This is the animal which I told you that it has no stomach and it goes down, but in a slow way. This is bloom. Yes, and here is, as I told you, it's light up, light to give us light, like the submersible gives us light, like the lamp here gives light. Here is the sailfish, and here is, my friend, the bottom. So, my friends, I want you to listen again to the vocab. Just listen.
Pile up. Darkness.
Information. Comfortable.
Plume. Light up.
Bottom. Shellfish.
Okay, my friends. Now, frankly, I don't have much time. Our time is over. But I think that all of you now can understand at least, I think, about 20 words from the lesson. 20 words from the lesson. I think they are enough amount to have in one lesson. And tomorrow we will continue with vocab activity. We will do many vocab activities and games. So please come. I know reading lesson is not an easy lesson, but it needs you to memorize the vocab and to read. We have also, we don't forget that we have this PowerPoint and questions and answer. Yeah, I don't have much time really. But anyhow, tomorrow we'll have the PowerPoint again. And you can look at, you can watch yesterday's lesson just to have a complete idea about what you studied yesterday and today. Thank you, my friend. Until we meet again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.